Hey guys, welcome to the tenorshare channel. Forgot your iPad passcode and can't unlock your iPad screen? Or iPad unavailable after trying too many times? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you 4 ways to unlock any iPad screen without passcode. Let's get started. Important: these methods will erase all data on your iPad. If you have a backup, you can restore your data afterward. But if not, your data will be lost for good. Think carefully before proceeding. Solution 1. Forgot passcode option. This method requires your iPad to meet these 3 requirements. Then you can see the Forgot passcode option under iPad unavailable. If your device is iPadOS 15 or 16, you will need to enter the incorrect passcode again. When prompted to try again after 1 hour, you will see the Erase iPad option. Tap it. This will reset your iPad to remove the lock screen. Enter your Apple ID password to sign out of your account. Tap Erase iPad to start the reset. Once done, set it up as new or restore from a backup. This is by far the quickest method if your equipment meets the requirements. But if you can't use the Forgot passcode option, then you can try the next more comprehensive method. Solution 2. Using 4UK. 4UK is a tool designed to unlock your iPhone or iPad without a passcode, and the operation process is very simple and convenient. You can find the link to get it in the video description. Now connect your iPad to your computer. Then launch 4UK to see Unlock iOS screen. Select it. Then you need to follow the prompts to put your iPad into recovery mode. Press volume up, then volume down, and finally press and hold the power button. Wait for your iPad to turn off and reboot into recovery mode. Then 4UK will prompt you to download the latest firmware package. Click Download and wait for the firmware download to complete. Once it's done, you can click Start to remove to unlock your iPad. The unlocking process requires resetting your iPad. This will require some patience. When it's done, your iPad will reboot. Now you can set it up. On the Data Recovery page, select the corresponding backup to restore. That's the whole process of unlocking your iPad with 4UK. It doesn't require any password from you. It's simple and effective. If you prefer an official method, iTunes can also help you unlock your iPad. You need to make sure that your iPad is connected to a computer with iTunes installed and that it has been placed in recovery mode. iTunes will detect iPad in recovery mode and prompt you to restore or update. You'll need to click Restore to reset your iPad. iTunes will download and install the latest iOS on your iPad. When it's done, your iPad will reboot. You can set it up as a new iPad or restore it from a backup. Lastly, if you have Find My iPad enabled, you can unlock it remotely using iCloud. On any device, go to iCloud.com/find and sign in with your Apple ID. Choose your iPad from the device list. Click on Erase this device to wipe the device remotely. You will need to enter your Apple ID password to complete the verification. After completing the operation, your iPad will restore factory settings on its own, removing the lock screen. After the iPad reboots, set it up as a new device or restore it from a backup. And that's it. 4 effective ways to unlock any iPad lock screen without a password. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPad tips, and share these tips to your friends. Finally, thanks for watching, and let's see you in the next video.